Caribbean seals with green arms and legs instant view. Please watch your children.
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backwards and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety,
This is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while we input your time travel coordinates.
Like a grand and miraculous space trip, our planet is sailed through the universe of time, and for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. But where do we go? And what kind of future will we discover there? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today, and then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to break. Now we can hunt as a team, and survive together. Recording our knowledge on cave walls. Then one seems off. When we move, there is a problem not stupid behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian found in Reed's bag is inventing papyrus. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, bands, signs, and unfortunate access. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, civilization and its own capability, which nothing else can answer. Adaptable to those languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? And definitions. The ancient Greeks were great inventors of the future. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching an intriguing subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. The lessons learned in the Greeks, the Romans created powerful empires. To keep their armies together, they built a system where we all live in the whole world.
You're starting via Aurelia Adoro. Moving via Amelia Adoro. Let's focus.
But then we hit a roadblock. Rome fails, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. The movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and can they use? Books make it easy to invent the future every year, and the result is an incredible explosion in innovation we call the Renaissance. Everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house. It's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers.
Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating back. Please remain seated. Attention.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with wind power from your home fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. Your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned the trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.